curious. I'm just curious.
Hi guys, once again, this is Simply Mira Filipina Oki and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing today. So in this vlog, it will show you the event that we visited last March 19. So they call it Cattle Sale Auction in Carthage, Missouri. So usually they do it twice a year. It will be held during spring and fall. And this year is their 34th edition production sale. During this sale or auction, you can see here a Charolais and Akaushi breed of cattle, and the price range during this sale or during this auction was 2,500 US dollars up to 13,000 US dollars each. I mean, wow, that's such really an expensive price, but as I've seen, they are really a good quality of cattle, and there are lots of ranchers also join the bid and have their own or choose their own cattle in this auction. Other people buy it for breeding, and they also sell here for meat or for butcher, which they sell per pound. And if you're interested, please keep watching on this video. But before that, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Simply Mira Filipina Oki, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified in our upcoming vlogs like this. So without further ado, please keep on watching. In 1994, the foundation Akaushi breeding herd was brought to the United States from Japan. Today, the American Akaushi Association has registered more than 32,000 full-blood Akaushi cattle. Coupled with the recorded parentage of the U.S.-born cattle, the lineage of the American Akaushi can be traced back more than 30 generations to the breed's origin. For the last 25 years, American Akaushi genetics have been increasing carcass performance and premium opportunities for cattle producers in the United States. The American Akaushi Association, or AAA, strives to assist members in maximizing their productivity and profit. Akaushi is well known for producing well-marbled, tender, and consistent beef, which is what consumers want. The cattle are also known to excel in important production traits, including growth, fertility, vigor, and longevity. Breeders who use Akaushi genetics will produce an animal that performs efficiently, improves consistency, maintains uniformity, and maximizes profit. American Akaushi cattle are known in the industry for producing high USDA quality grade carcasses for increased profitability. In fact, Akaushi beef consistently yields prime carcasses. in addition to the meat's superior quality, Akaushi beef is known for its extraordinary health benefits. Known as nature's healthy beef, Akaushi beef is a significant natural source of oleic acid, the compound found in olive oil that the USDA touts as good for the heart. Akaushi beef has a higher ratio of monosaturated to saturated fats, which the American Heart Association notes can lead to lower cholesterol, the prevention of coronary heart disease, and weight loss. These are the Akaushi breed of cattle, while these ones here, the white ones, are the Charolais. So this is where the bidding happens for the Charolais and the Akaushi breed of cattle. So the bidding starts at 1 p.m. but before that they serve lunch at 12 o'clock, and then after people have their lunch they'll go around to see some cattle which they might have to bid later or to pick up later during the bidding.